Hello, students. My name is Shesi George, your professional accounting teacher, okay, in the accounting department. All right. Now, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the concept of financial accounting, especially for students, as for students who wants to begin his career in financial accounting, and for students who intends to write financial accounting in his course of studies. Okay, so let's get started. In brief, financial accounting can be divided into two aspects. Before I give you the definition, it can be divided into two aspects. Number one, we have the recording aspect, that's the recordation aspect, recording. Then number two, we have the reporting aspect, reporting. Okay, this reporting aspect, sometimes I call it the summary. That's the summary. All right. Now, the recording aspect starts. What do you record? Business transactions. We record business transactions. And what is business transaction? Business transaction simply means the exchange of goods and services. Goods and services. Okay? When you exchange goods and services for monetary consideration, for money, that is transaction. All right? Now, the recording will start when transactions occur. All businesses goes into transactions. So when transactions occur, it will be first recorded in what we call source documents. Source document. Once there is a transaction, it will be recorded in source document. So these source documents, examples, we have the receipts, the invoice, credit notes, debit notes, bank teller, checkbook, and the rest. Okay, so it will be recorded in the source documents as an evidence that transaction has occurred. Okay, from the source documents, the bookkeeper or the accountant transfer this information into books of prime entries. Books of prime entries. Okay, or what we call books of original entry. Then these books of original entry is splitted or classified into 4 parts. Don't forget. So we are going to look at it one after the other later in our course of study. We have the cash books. We have the cash books. We have the day books. We have the bill books. The bill books. Then lastly, we have journal proper. Journal proper. Okay. If the transactions is cash transaction, it will be recorded in the cash book. Transactions that are credit transactions will be recorded in the day books. So we are going to treat this one after the other later as we go on in our course of studies. Then the bill books too. We have the journal proper. Okay, what are all these used for will be treated later. Then after this, all these transactions will be transferred into what we call ledgers. Okay, don't forget, from source documents you record into books of prime entry or books of original entry. From the books of original entry, we record into the ledgers. Okay, from your ledger, you now prepare a trial balance. Okay, trial balance. All right, so from this trial balance, it will now be a working paper for the summary aspects. It will be a working paper. So the summary aspects is the preparation, or the reporting aspects is the preparation of final accounts. And the final accounts is split into income statements. We have the statements of fin position, that's financial position. Then we'll prepare, okay, statements of cash flow. All these will be looked into. Then we'll prepare our statements of changes in equity. Okay, then we have our notes to the accounts. Accounts. But for junior level, we are going to look at these two later in our course of study. Then for those in advanced class, we'll go further. All right, so this is just an overview. So this aspect is called the reporting aspect. It's just the summary of what you have recorded there. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you love this video, please do share with your friends and ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is Georgian Theory Concepts, GTC, Georgian Theory Concepts. Bye for now.